First, I want to show you the Atlas drone. This thing looks like it's out of Star Wars, but its ball shape allows it to operate indoors where you have no GPS signals for navigation. If it bumps into a wall, no problem. When you're inside, you don't have the benefit of GPS navigation because the ceiling blocks the GPS satellites. And so because of this drone's shape, it can bump into walls, it can land on the ground, it can roll on the ground and right itself without causing any damage to the propeller. Its creators envision it being used potentially by firefighters for conducting search and rescue operations or searching for flames. So a lot of potential in this convention hall.